wacha tuchore chura. Men and women who are standing here are a typical example.
No, you don't have to do this.
What are you talking about? Whatever are you talking about?
Please, I'm not trying for market, please.
This is very right, and in fact, this is the right age.
No.
This is the one.
No.
Mother, my sister is gone.
What is it?
What is happening in our family? I can't let this happen again. My first sister disappeared. Now it's Acholi. Where is Acholi going?
What is wrong?
You asking? You must know what is happening.
How could I know? I left her here. She's somewhere around here.
We have come up with a program where we are going to involve even the borders and the health community within the county to sensitize the young girls against early pregnancies so that these girls can continue with their studies and to be girls who are responsible, and even to educate their parents not to introduce family planning among the young girls so that they can continue their studies.
Many women have introduced their daughters to family planning, and I think this is quite immoral. It should not be so. We should teach our ladies how they can keep themselves safe from sex, and it is not through family planning. Even before the family planning was introduced, there were very less pregnancies taking place because most often the mothers had to sit with their daughters. They were to teach them how they can keep themselves safe from sex. And the same can still apply even to date, whereby you don't even tell your daughter the issue of family planning, because the moment you have started that, you are introducing what we call sex. And they will not stop it.
Our appeal is that we all participate as parents, as teachers, training institutions to protect our children from exposure to bad content, especially on social media. That to know that, you know, technology is good, but it's a double-edged sword. That unless we educate our children to know that they are pedophiles, they are bullies, there are people who have bad message for them on social media, then they will get destroyed. So we're happy to be part of this. And
there are also sexually transmitted diseases, not just HIV and AIDS. Sexually transmitted diseases are also on the rise because of the carelessness. So we are also saying that this has got to stop, and the government must continue to give education, counties must continue to give education, and the leaders especially must give education where possible. And the most importantly is the high number of girls dropping out of school because of pregnancy rate.
Talking to our girls as plainly as it gets about their sex and sexuality and reproductive health, so that we can be able to deal with the issue of teenage pregnancies. So that is what we have been able to do here.